how to turn off restricted mode on TikTok. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to turn off restricted mode on TikTok but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the profile tab available at the bottom. Then your TikTok profile will open up. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy. Under the Content and Display section, you will see the option for Content Preferences. Tap on it. Over here, you will see the option for Restricted Mode. Tap on it. As you can see, the Restricted Mode feature is currently on. Let's disable it. For that, tap on the Turn Off button. Restricted mode will turn off instantly if no passcode has been added. However, if a passcode is set, TikTok will prompt you to enter it to disable the feature. In case you have forgotten the passcode, you have two options. Either change it to a new one or delete it entirely. I have made two separate videos on how to change and how to delete the restricted mode passcode. The links to the videos are provided in the card section and the description below. If you have deleted your passcode after watching the provided video, simply tap the turn off button and the feature will be disabled instantly. However, if you have changed your passcode or did not watch the video but still remember your current passcode, then go ahead and enter it here. Once entered, TikTok will restart automatically, turning off the restricted mode feature. You will now be able to access all content that was previously restricted. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled restricted mode on TikTok. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.